We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen for what is coming up next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, this week I'm really excited to announce to our school community that we have a food bank established at the school. Well, the food bank is just like a pantry of nutritional food items that are available for our school community, and we appreciate that sometimes families out there do it tough, and it's wonderful to be able to offer the food bank. Now, the food bank's located just inside the door at the front office. When you arrive at the school to access the food bank, there's no requirement to sign in or contact the office or speak to anybody. You can just discreetly access the food items. We have shopping bags provided by our local Woolies. And parents, please feel free to use the food bank. I'm using an iPad today to record this segment, so I'm going to see if I can just move the iPad around and show you what the food bank actually looks like. And I would like to say a really big thank you to Mr. Music and Mrs. Kelly for all the work that you've put in to source the food bank for our school community. My next item is to thank and congratulate our students in Year 3 and Year 5 who are participating in the NAPLAN online assessments. I'd like to say thank you for your persistence and the energy and hard work that you've put in on the assessments. We will be catching up the students that have been absent from school this week, because we're now able to extend the catch-up assessments right through the whole of next week. My final message is just to thank you, our students who give up part of their recess and lunchtime and walk around the grounds collecting litter that blows into the school. I must say the school looks absolutely fantastic, and it is wonderful speaking with our students. During the recess and lunch breaks as they come in to tell me about their day. So once again, a big thank you to everybody. And I'll sign off now by reminding all of our students the importance of reading every single day, even on weekends. All right, thank you everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Hi, my name is Vikom and I've been working on this game on Digitech that I'd like to show you. We need to find the treasure. I've heard stories that it's in this town. Let's look in the cabin to see if anyone will help us. He seems friendly. Let's ask him for some clues.
Hello, adventurer. Are you looking for the legendary treasure?
Yes.
I've heard it's the cave of darkness. Be careful, though danger lurks there.
Whoa, what is that?
He, this is my treasure and you will never get it.
Oh, look, the evil goblin left something behind. Look in the forest. If you find the red button, then press space to defeat the goblin.
How did you find me? Well, it doesn't matter. You will never be able to defeat me. No!
Wow, you won!